Red Boy. That's White Boy. Oh, here comes the gang running over. We've got puppies in the other room that are disgruntled because they don't get to be out with this group. That boy on his back is red. This is white. That one going in there is orange. That's yellow. And Aqua is on the bottom of the pig pile. That's White Boy here. This is the second video I've done, so they're tired out from the first one that we did, playing around. This is Aqua. Aqua has the straightest coat in the litter. And that boy is orange. And next to him is red. He also has a little bit straighter coat. You can kind of see the difference between the curls. So we've got red on the right and orange on the left, that boy. And then behind me, over here, is Yellow Boy. I woke everybody up from the nap to do this, but Aqua is our quietest boy. Yes, you sweetheart. I can't focus that close, guys. They want to be right on my lap. And that's Orange Boy. Oh, no, I was wrong. That's Yellow. Yellow and orange look quite a bit alike. And this is White. He's a beautiful dog. Okay, guys, over here. Get out in front of my camera, buddies. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Good job.